Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of DevOps engineer testing your CI/CD skills second lab, that is working with Artifact Registry. Before starting the solution, I want to inform you that the solution of the previous lab are uploaded on my channel. You can check and start performing those lab. Okay. Now, without wasting the time, start this lab. Wait for the page to load. There are total 4 tasks that we need to perform. Click on Start Lab button. Wait for the instances to be loaded up. Right click on Open Console and open it in private window or in incognito mode. It is an important step to open it in incognito mode, otherwise you will face certain issues. Okay, the email address will be automatically pasted up, so simply click on next button. It will ask you for the password, so password will be this one, last one. Okay, so copy it carefully, come back to here, paste the password, hit enter button or click on next button. Okay, it will connect us with the Google Cloud Console. In my case, it didn't throw any pop-up of terms and condition or welcome message. Uh, but in your case, if throw any error or in any pop-up like terms and condition or any welcome message, अगर आपकी केस में कोई वेलकम मैसेज टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन आता है तो आपको सिंपली उसको एग्री करना है, एग्री एंड कंटिन्यू पे क्लिक करना है और आपका भी पेज कुछ ऐसा ही दिखेगा. अगर आपने पहले वीडियोस देखी है मेरी, इफ यू ऑलरेडी वॉचेस द प्रीवियस वीडियो ऑफ माइंड, यू मस्ट बी फैमिलियर विद दिस स्टेप. दिस इज द सेम स्टेप दैट वी ऑलरेडी डन with several times. Okay, now without wasting time, click on Activate Cloud Shell on the top right corner. While it's activating, come back to the lab, come to the task 1, copy this first code, come back to here, wait for our Google Cloud Console to be loaded up. It is connecting as a connection with the Cloud Shell. So you can see our Cloud Shell is now loaded. Paste the code that we copied and hit enter. Click on Authorize button, come back to the main page, scroll down, copy this code. We need to enable some Google services. Simply paste the code, hit enter, and it will also get run successfully. Now scroll down. Now we need to clone some repository with the help of the git clone options, and we need to then switch to another directory with the help of the cd code. Okay, so let's paste it and hit enter. Now once it get done, scroll down, copy this last code of the first task, paste it here, hit enter. Now wait for it to run. Now this code will take a little longer, around 4 to 5 minutes. So I will meet you in the video after it get completed. Till then, in that time, you can make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like the video, and if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now, as you can see, our code is run successfully. It take around 4 to 7 minutes to run this code successfully. So wait for 4 to 7 minutes. After that, come back to the lab, click on check my progress, and you will get a green tick on this task. Okay. Now assessment is completed. Jump to the task 2. Copy this first command. Come back to the lab. Paste it here. We need to create some artifact repositories. That's why we are using this command. While it's running, scroll down. Once it get run, we need to click on check my progress. So wait for this command to run successfully. Now once it get completed, come back to here, click on check my progress, and you will get a green tick on the task 2 also. Now we need to authenticate our artifact registry, but first of all, we need to clone that registry with the help of this. So copy it, come back to here, paste it here, hit enter, and wait for the code to run. Press Y on the keyboard and hit enter. Scroll down, copy it, come back to here, paste it, hit enter, and wait for the code to run. Now scroll down. We need to build some container images, so copy it, paste it, it will create the cloud docker. Now this will take a little bit time, so wait for it to run successfully. I will meet you in the video soon. Now as you can see, our code is successfully run. It took me more than 5 minutes to run successfully. इसमें 5 मिनट से ज़्यादा लग गया इस कोड को रन होने में. So yes, it will take a long. Okay. Now once you're done with that, scroll down. Our container built image is successfully built it. Now we need to push that container image. So copy this code, come back to here, paste it, hit enter, and it will push to the Docker. Okay. Now wait for it to run successfully. Once it's get completed, come back to here, scroll down. We don't need to perform these tasks. Now we need to go to the task 3. Copy this first number of code, come back to the lab, wait for this code to run. Now once it gets run successfully, paste the command, hit enter, and it will open the Cloud Shell editor. Okay, so we are jumping to the editor where we need to edit the files. So wait for it to connect our connection with the Cloud Shell editor. Now, as you can see, our connection is stabilized. It will load certain files. कुछ files load होंगी तो आपको 2 मिनट इंतजार करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. उसके बाद हमें जो टास्क करना है वो थोड़ा सा टफ है या टिपिकल है. So stay focused and have some patience. Okay, it's initializing our connection, so wait for it. Once all the file get loaded, we started to perform the task. So wait for it. Simply sit back and relax till everything gets set up. After the project gets set up, click on the cloud code on the bottom one. This one, cloud code. After that, click on run on Kubernetes. Wait for it to load. You will see a line in the terminal like this. Here you need to click on the yes button. After clicking on the yes, quickly come back to the lab. Scroll down. Scroll down to the here. Just simply copy this US Central. Copy it. Come back to here. We need to click on the enter the address of an image and repository. Paste it here. Hit enter button. Now we need to simply wait for our Kubernetes to run. As you can see, the status is in progress, but once you get completed with all the tasks, there will be a green tick. So wait for it. It will take around 7 minutes. So wait for it. I will meet you in the video soon. Now you can see our update is successfully completed. Now what we need to do? Simply come back to the lab, scroll down. We need to make certain changes. So the changes will be simply copy this. We need to copy this one. It's updated. Okay, हमें ये copy करना है बस. It's updated. हमें it's running से change करके it's updated करना है. तो कैसे करना है? वापस आइए यहाँ पर फाइल बटन पे क्लिक करना तब करना है जब सब पे ग्रीन टिक लग जाए. यहाँ पर स्टेटस सक्सीडेड में लास्ट के दो जो हैं ये रन होते रहेंगे. जैसे ही हमारा स्टेटस सक्सीडेड पे ग्रीन टिक लग जाए उसके बाद हमें फाइल पे क्लिक करना है. सोर्स पे क्लिक करना है. सोर्स में जावा पे जाएंगे. इन द जावा सिंपली क्लिक ऑन द वेब वन. Now open the first file, hello world controller.java. Now scroll down. Now in the place of it's running, we need to paste it's updated. Okay. So paste it here. It's in the place of it's running. Paste it. It's updated. Now once you're done with that, go to the file. Click on save button. The processing of the saving will be started. You can say updated, initiated. Now hover upon this HTTPS. Click on open web, and it will open a new tab for us. Now here we need to make the changes or need to see the changes. It's not updated right now. Come back to here again. Try to open it once again. Refresh it till it shows that it's updated. You can see deploy is now completed. Come back to here again, refresh it, or simply wait for it. Wait just for 2 minutes. Okay, it's making changes to the server. It's changing from it's running to it's updated. So wait. You can see status check started. So it's happening. Now again open it in new window. And you can see it's updated. Now we are done with this task. Come back to the lab, scroll down simply, click on check my progress, and you will get a green tick here also. Now we are done with the task 3. Scroll down, copy this code, come back to the lab, come back to the dashboard, click on open terminal button, paste the code that we copied, hit enter button. Now, once it get run, we are done with this lab. Lab will get successfully completed. So come back to here, click on check my progress. It will give you a green tick. Now we are good to go. We can click on end lab button. We don't need to perform any other tasks. Okay, click on end lab button. Click on submit button. You can give the star rating that you want to give and click on submit. Come back to the main page. And once when you scroll down, you will see a green tick beside our working with Artifact Registry lab. So yes, that's the solution of this lab. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or in the Telegram group. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Bye.